Now, becoming an affiliate on Warriorplus is actually free. You don't need to be approved like the case is with Amazon and the other affiliate programs. The only problem as an affiliate on Warriorplus is getting approved for individual products on the marketplace. In this video, I'm going to show you what I'm doing to easily get approved for most of the products I apply to promote on Warriorplus. Hi there, I'm Winston, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through some of the little changes I made on my Warriorplus account, plus the exact template I use to get approved for most of the products I want to promote on Warriorplus. But before we get into all that, if this is your first time to this channel and you're interested in making some side money as an affiliate beginner, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Now, if you still do not know what Warriorplus is, well, as you can see here, it says Warriorplus is the best in-class sales and market automation platform and marketplace for digital business owners and online marketers. Basically, it's an affiliate network where you can register as an affiliate and then find and request products to promote. It's also important to take note here that most of the products listed on this platform are primarily in the make money niche. Usually, most of the products on this platform have a payout commission of 50% and above, plus the fact that there are upsells funnels which can easily lead to a good sum of money promoting just one single product. Now, getting started with Warriorplus is actually free. You don't need to wait or go through a review process before becoming an affiliate on the platform. All you have to do is click on the sign up for free button, enter a name, password and an email address. Then you want to verify if you are a human and not a bot, and you are good to go. Now, since I already have an account, I'll just log in, and as you can see, the Warriorplus platform is laid out in a very simple way that will help you quickly spot out the top performing products, and that goes back to the last 30 days. You can easily get to your account dashboards, offers, stats, transaction, and even product launch calendar from the affiliate tabs here at the top. Now, since the purpose of this video is on how to get approved for Warriorplus products, let's get to the offers page. The offers page on Warriorplus is where you'll find all the products listed. You can see the products release dates, sales, conversion rate, and refund rates. So if you want to learn more about any particular product, simply click on the product name and you'll be taken to the product info page. Here is where you'll find more information about the product. You'll find the funnel map, listed product in the upsell funnel, the price and commission for each of the products. With this product, for example, as you can see, you can make between $6 to almost $400 commission. You also see the contact to the product vendor here below, as well as the JV page if there is one. I say if there is one because not all product owners provide a JV page. A JV page is simply a page that contains a product's promotional content. A typical JV page on Warriorplus will contain the product's information, funnel, email swipes, images, and even a demo video. So this is a valuable page for most affiliate marketers because you don't need to spend the time to create much of the content to promote the product because most of it has already been done for you on the JV page. Now, if you want to check out the sales page of the product, you can click here to check it out. It's always advisable to check out the sales page of any product you want to promote because you don't want to spend your time promoting an offer when the sales page cannot convert. Having said that, I would also like to add that most of the sales page on Warriorplus do convert, but nonetheless, it's worth checking it out. Now, before you even start promoting any particular product on Warriorplus, you first need to have the affiliate link of the product. This is the part where most Warriorplus affiliates just starting out are having difficulties. How to get approved for Warriorplus products to promote. Now, for a long time as an affiliate marketer on Warriorplus, it was really difficult for me to get approved for any of the products to promote. Actually, not until I made a few changes which actually changed everything for me, I was suddenly getting approval for most of the products that I was applying for. The thing is, most product owners like to approve serious affiliates who will put in the work to promote the product, not just affiliates who apply for the link and then turn around to buy the product through their affiliate link using another account. It's for that same reason that some product owners refuse to approve some affiliates, especially those just starting out who have not made any sales yet. So what can you do as a beginner on Warriorplus to easily get approved for most of the products you want to promote? Well, for me personally, I noticed that by just adding a good profile picture made my application stand out, which will easily draw the eyes of the product owner to my application. Now, after drawing the attention of the product owner to your application, next is to have an appealing application for the product. But first, how do you apply for a product to promote on Warriorplus? Well, first you want to identify the product you want to promote, and then click on the request approval button here on the product information page. When you do that, this pop-up will appear for you to type in why or the reasons why you want to promote the product. Now, for a long time, I did not know what to really write to convince product owners that I was serious about promoting their products. Well, not until I started using this template, which I also got from another affiliate beginner at the time. What I did is I took the template and customized it for myself and started using it to apply for products to promote on Warriorplus. And just like that, I started getting approval for most of the product I wanted to promote on this platform. So here is the same template I use. You can also use this, customize it a little bit to fit your promotion, and that's it. So by adding a good profile picture and by using this template, I was able to start getting my first few products approved. Having said that, some product owners have the policy of approving only accounts that have made 10 and above sales on the Warriorplus platform, and that's simply because they can see how many sales you have made on the platform when you apply to promote their product. So it's important that when you get your first few approved products, you want to make sure to take action and promote the product so that you can quickly make more than those 10 sales and get even more approval from other product owners. Now, in the next video in this Warriorplus series, I'll be showing you how to promote your Warriorplus product to start making quick sales even as a beginner on the platform. And with all that, I'll wrap up this video. I hope it was helpful. If so, hit the like button below, share on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.